create a magic ring. Chain 1, 5 single crochet into the ring. 1, mark the first stitch. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull the ring tight. And slip stitch into the first stitch here. Okay. Cut the yarn. Chain collar, make a knot, and insert the hook into the first stitch. Take the yarn, make chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slip stitch into the same space. Chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slip stitch into the next stitch. This 1 crochet and repeat this crochet 4 times. Okay, the second crochet, chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slip stitch into the same stitch. Then chain 10. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Okay, we have 2 crochets. Repeat 3 times. Cut the yarn and sew.